What's up, nerds? Welcome back to another episode of He's Finally Back! We can watch some more mediocre content! Yeah! Today we're going to be playing One Night at Termination, cats. And by the way, to the creator of this game, I'm sorry that I said I was going to play it 20 days ago or something. I forgot, and then I went through some stuff. So, here we are, and without further ado, let's press the jump scares button. Because I'm not a wuss. I'm going to freaking get jump scared and then have nightmares. Yes, I've got nightmares from Scratch games. I had one with Five Nights at Happy's, one about Project Kit Kat, and then I'm pretty sure one about this, but I'm not sure. So, from what I remember, from the first time whoever kills me first is to keep a small place myself. They were probably talking about the small part, about my 3mm defeater. My banana, if you get what I mean. So from what I remember, this guy has a music box. No, there's a music box guy here. So, to do the music box thing, where's the button? I forgot. There's a music box button. Yeah, there it is. So you just wind it, and then he stays put. These guys are little bitches who will come through here. Oh, wind. Yeah, I don't know what his thing is. I just remember thinking this game was hard. And then you shock people through here. It's like in FNAF 2. These ones can close, and these ones can close. And so can that one. But this one can't. Anyone in the vents currently? Oh, vent seal. I can do that? That's nice. Wind. Anyone in the vents? My buddy pals? Little pal buddies? 87 power. What a... Go away. Come on, go away. Nope. Nope. Come on. Come on, get me. Come on. Go ahead. Come on. Come on, buddy. I'm not... You're afraid of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, yeah! You little... Ah! Sorry, I am... Weird things happen, okay? I'm not a normal person. Oh, vent seal. Nope. The sun is a deadly laser. Vent seal, where's that button? You still there? Whoa! Okay. You died to XXCC69. Yep, we're just gonna kind of use the funny number. Close the vent. Yeah, I forgot. I opened it too early. I have it on, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go, people. My watch is telling me to stand up. Frick you, Apple Watch. I ain't doing nothing. Survive until 6 a.m. Who would have known? Boom, help! Your time has come for you. You need a competition. We're all gonna masturbate about you. Okay, I don't know whatever he said. Yeah, okay. We're gonna start off simple and just wind the music box. I freaking love this music. Like, this is fire. Thank you, IIK. Who is that? Don't pay attention to the tally. Is it that? What is the tally? Who is TEC? Why does the power go down when I'm not using anything? So many questions. Is that the baller dude? Was that the bite of 87? Okay, is termination? Okay, termination cat is on his way. No one's in the vents yet. Yeah, we're pretty good. As long as we check up in a few minutes, we'll be fine. By minutes, I don't mean minutes. They move fast in this game. You have no idea. Okay. Ellie. Okay. El Bozo. Bro, I swear, if no one says El Bozo at my funeral, I will... Oh! I forgot about you! You died to TC. If he's in the hallway, shock him. Well, I forgot, okay? I'm sad now. I died. Survive until 6 a.m. That was louder than I intended it to be. Sounds like a toddler, but they gave him a very voice filter. Okay, no one's moved yet, right? Yep, everyone's good. Are you the same person? No, I don't think so. Okay. I can imagine watching me, and literally anyone who's watching this is probably yelling at the screen. I'm sure. No, he's right at the door, you idiot! Don't get it! Oh my god! I ate Markiplier, okay? I'm Wish.com, a Markiplier. I want that on a t-shirt. That sounded cool. I'm Wish.com, Markiplier. I don't play FNAF. I play FNAF knockoffs and remakes. Exactly. I don't have the Bite of 87. I have, is that the baller guy? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Go away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! Go away! Nerd. That probably means someone's in the vents. Yep, that's what I expected. Wait, how do I do the vent seal again? Oh, is he backing up? Okay. That's good. Oh, come on. Okay. Vent seal. Vent seal. Vent seal. The plan is open. Vent seal. Vent seal. Oh, but I'm running out of oxygen. Are you still? Oh! Oh. Yeah, I ran out of oxygen. This game, it hits different. I sound like that one YouTube ad that goes like, I'm sure you've seen it. It's the one that, this game, you're not ready for it. Maybe I'm not getting any views on my channel anymore because I've stopped playing some specific games. Maybe the Project Kit Kat guy and the FNAF guy just hate me now. I don't know. I'm kind of sad. Earl, I think the farthest we've made it to is 3 a.m. What time is it? How long have I been recording for? I don't know. Survive until 6 a.m. Yeah, who knew? I'm turning your volume off. I'm tired of this guy. He's just annoying now. Unless something undesirable is crawling through the vent, please refrain from using the vent seal on Cam 8 as it stops on. Oh, stinky. Poorly drawn cameras co. Wasn't it poorly drawn cameras Inc? I preferred it when it was that. Someone hopped in the vents. If I just use vent seal now, will they go away? Where's Cam 8? Yeah, I think that works, right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Nope. Yes! I only miscalculated 3 times. New record. Vent seal. Goodbye. But the vent seal is on. Fine, I'll do it the other way. You should be gone, right? Oh, that's what I forgot. Okay. But I closed the door! Are you still here? No, I'm good. I'm double checking. I don't like purple guy. Not purple guy. I can't. Okay. So my nickname situation. Oh. My nickname strategy is just whatever like the color or something of the person is, and then guy, which isn't a good. Which isn't really that much of a good idea. So if I get someone purple and call guy, that's just called copying FNAF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ah! Bye. I have a bad feeling that someone is surrounding me. Yep. Oh, vent seal. Keep that on. Whoa!